guys, welcome back to the channel. The CarbNlabs downpipes are installed. This is just a quick video to show you what it sounds like. So yeah, I'll do a cold startup. Once it's warmed up, I'll do a few revs from the out of the car so you can hear what it sounds like with these catless CarbNlabs downpipes and the stage 2 TCU tune, stage 1 ECU tune from 034 Motorsport. All right, and here are the downpipes. As you can see, a lot more room for activities without those fat cats there. And you can see it from the side. Tons of room there now. You can see the whole transmission down there and where it connects. All right, let's start this thing up. Oh, and real quick, in my personal opinion, it is a little bit louder than I expected, but just keep in mind, for those of you that are watching, that it is not straight piped. I have the CarbNlabs downpipes and the AWE tuning catback. It is the touring edition. These do have mufflers, so catless downpipes to mufflers on the yaw tuning exhaust. All right, guys, and here's the first catless downpipe full startup. There you have it. That's about how long it takes for it to get out of open loop mode and get into closed loop and tone down. Alright guys, once she's warmed up, I'll give her some revs. And as you can see while she's warming up, from the front, you know, it's pretty quiet. Not all that much noise up here. You see, it's not till you get to the back where you're like, oh. Alright guys, like I said, I'm just gonna do a couple revs. Back it out into the street and do a comfort mode rev and then a sport mode rev.
comment and talk to me in the comments what you want to hear, and I'll be doing some driving by videos, flybys next from the outer car point of view. All right, on to the next one.